Hello everybody. Hi mini crafters. How are you? Are you guys excited to do your next craft? It is February. It is the month of Valentine's Day. So we are going to make this special Valentine's Bear craft. Okay, so before we get started on our craft though, let's get up and move around a little bit, okay? All right, so this is Mr. Teddy Bear, and Clifford is joining us. Clifford, hi Clifford. Okay, so this is Teddy Bear. He's gonna join us and he's gonna help us with a little poem, a little rhyme, okay? So everybody stand up because we're gonna do this rhyme together, okay? All right, you ready? All right, so Teddy's standing, okay? So it goes, Teddy Bear, turn around. Everybody turn around. Teddy Bear, touch the ground. Touch the ground. Teddy Bear, reach up high. Teddy Bear, touch the sky. Can you guys all reach for the sky? Are your hands up high? Good job. Teddy Bear, bend down low. Teddy Bear, touch your toe. Can you guys touch your toes? Are you touching your toes? Good job, everybody. Teddy Bear, go to bed. He's getting tired, so we're gonna lay down. There we go. Teddy Bear, rest your head. Can you guys rest your head? Are you laying down and resting your head? Teddy Bear, turn out the lights. We're just gonna step. We'll just pretend the lights got turned off right there, and then Teddy Bear, say good night. Good night. Good job, everybody. Okay, now that we did that, and I'm going to send that home so you guys can do that at home with your big people, or maybe your sisters and your brothers, or cousins, or whoever you want to do it with, okay? Then we're going to make our craft. So you guys are going to have, you're going to have a pair of eyes. You're going to have eyes, and you're going to have some pieces. You're going to have 2 of these pink red pieces. These will be your teddy bear's ears. And then you're going to have a big red piece, and this is going to be his nose and mouth. And then you're going to have some little tiny hearts. Can you see these? All right. Then there's going to be some little tiny hearts in your kit, okay? Those are going to go on the teddy bear's ears, and they're going to be a part of his face for his nose. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and do that first? I've actually already done that, okay? So you're gonna use a glue stick. You're gonna use a glue stick because these are perfect, okay? And you're going to glue a red heart onto each of the pink ears. So it looks like that, okay? And we'll put those aside. And then we are going to take a pink heart and we're going to glue it on for his nose, okay? And we're going to pick a marker color, and I chose black because it shows up the best. You can choose whatever color you want. We're just going to draw a little mouth underneath his nose, okay? Yep, here we go. All right. So it's going to look kind of like this, but you can draw it however you'd like. Oop, can you see that? Yeah. Okay. Then we're going to take our paper plate, because you're just going to have a plain paper plate, okay? But you're going to take it and you're going to cover it so that it's pink with these little squares of tissue paper. They're really thin, really light paper, okay? So you're just going to take your glue stick and put some glue wherever you think you want some paper. This is kind of like your bear's skin, okay? skin for his face. You're making a pink bear just because, well, it's Valentine's Day, and usually Valentine's is kind of pink or red. I shouldn't just say pink, right? So we're just going to kind of put a couple of, you're going to put as many as you want to cover your face with. If you don't want a lot, you don't have to put a lot. But if you want to fill it up, you go ahead and fill it up. Okay? So this is what I just, there we go. So we covered that with that. Now we get to add the ears and the eyes and the mouth and the nose. So ear, or let's do his face first. Yeah, that way you can kind of see a little bit better. I'm going to do his eyes first, okay? So we have 2 eyes. They're stickers, guys. You could just stick them right on there. Eyes. Your eyes go here, but you can put wherever you would like on your bear. Eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and put his nose and mouth wherever you want to put it. Actually, I'm going to put the glue on the back of this. It might be easier. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to put nose and mouth on Mr. Bear. What do you think so far? Now he just needs a couple of ears. And that we're going to put the ears on. We'll put a little bit of glue on each ear. Okay, and then we're going to just stick the ears on the back of the plate. Like this. And your bear is finished. So now you get to have this cool bear that you can hang up, or you can give it to somebody special. And you can also do the rhyme. This would be really fun to do right before bed. It'll help you get tucked in, don't you think? Because you lay down to rest and tuck your head, and yeah, I think it'd be really good. So this is your project, everybody. You guys have a great Valentine's Day.